Now this is multi-position, so it lays down, and put your wrench in where the Allen wrench is to show them. And that locks into position. Right, now you can unlock it and stand it straight up. Yeah, it's an 8-inch contact wheel. Okay, and the tracking's up to the top, so you track the belt, you twist the tracking knob, turn it on once and see what happens. There you go, you track it. And we've got it hooked to a motor here. Go ahead. And you can track the belt at the top. Yep, just like that. That's good. An 8-inch contact wheel to the bottom here, and the platen can all be removed. So you add your own motor to whatever you want, and you're good to go.